So I've got our bait for the day. I went to Morrison's, got some mackerel, because our local fishing shops don't really have sea bait, because it's more, because we're quite inland. So mackerel from Morrison's, I got some squid and some lugworm. So let's start getting our hands dirty and getting the line sorted. Baiting the hooks and all that fisherman stuff. What is it?
It's a smoothie.
It's a smoothie.
We've lost him.
Oh,
Lost him.
really? So unfortunately, our first ever smooth hound, we lost him. But about 10 minutes ago, Simon lost a whole rig, and when we lost that smoothie and we pulled it up, I was like, why is there two weights? Why is there two leads on that rig? So obviously we had a little snag with each other, or the fish had snagged round or whatever, but we lost the smooth hound, but we gained a rig.
At least we didn't lose our very posh weight.
So that was a bonus. Let's go snag around the other rod. Right, get the towel to wrap around your hands. Just the line up. Oh no. My first smoothie ever caught, 80 centimetres. Right, should we let him go? Lovely. I caught the fishy. That's quite exciting, isn't it? Your heart rate goes. So that's the first ever time we've got a smooth hound on the boat. Obviously we caught one 5 minutes ago.
And then go away. Maybe it's the same one, he come back for some more.
Yeah, but we actually got him on. We practiced measuring him, because we have to practice, because next week at the competition they've all got to be measured in a certain way.
Yeah, to be honest, I think we've fluffed the measuring there. But I know their measurement, they've got a big wider scale. We had like a lot of ruler to try and get him to lie on.
Yeah.
And I was a bit like, come on, I want to get this fish back quick.
Yeah, but then you don't, he's all curling up.
Yeah.
So yeah, we definitely need to practice that a bit more, but
Yeah.
that was so exciting. So you've got an 80 centimetre smooth hound to beat if you want to win me today.
Oh, I didn't realise that was a competition.
Oh, I
now,
don't
is
know,
it?
it may as well be. Because I'm winning.
I don't know.
You got a nibble?
Yeah, I don't think it strikes early enough. But I don't know. I'll bring it in. Come on.
You think you're on? Hold on, let me just set me.
We got a little buckfish.
Yes. There you go, get you a picture with your fish. I'll measure it.
Check out the little fishy. Came back.
Yeah.
Nah, buddy. Then move this box.
Yeah. Go.
Oh, you drag me. Yeah, just keep the tension on. What are we doing to this? Filming or anything?
Yeah, the camera's on.
There's another smooth.
Oh, you know, it's a bullhuss.
Is this good or bad?
You've got teeth.
Okay, right. Just get this hook out of the way. Put your mat down. Okay, getting this ready. Keeping that. Okay, right. Okay, give me slack. Yo, dude! What's
Right,
going
you're
on?
definitely going to want this.
Okay. Right now. Let's have a look at it. Okay, just stay still. Okay, measure it.
You need a bigger one than that. That's it. Tail out. No hands covering his head. Spread your fingers. $85.
So this apparently is a bullhuss. Pretty cool creature, isn't he? Have a look at his mouth. Come on! Right, time to unanchor. What we don't do is go forward, especially on a day like today, because we're moving around quite a lot. Right, so we've got an Audley ring with a big flotation buoy on it. What the plan is to drive alongside it, then the flotation buoy then stays high, stays along the rope, and then eventually it'll go along the chain, and then hopefully it'll pick the anchor up. That's our plan. We've done it about 3 times, so typically this time it probably won't work because we're filming, but let's give it a go, shall we? Right, so there's our buoy now. Gem's gonna go forward now. You go straight. Go a bit fast if you want now. Look what the engine is. Go straight. Go a little bit faster. So now the buoy's now going to go down the rope. So we're going to say goodbye to the buoy for a little bit. You can see it's a bit choppy today. We're going. Okay, keep it. Go a bit fast if you want. You should see that dive in a second. Oh, we've got the anchor's stuck in it. Alright, so it's not working. I think the anchor's stuck. Not good.
Yeah.
Right, so that was the first time using our big anchor. So I think we have got to give it a bit, but it really sort of jolted about. Right, Jem's going to take the helm now, and I'm going to follow them. Alright, so what we did then, we tripped the anchor. So I had cable ties on the anchor, so the anchor was stuck. Woo! No.
But that is easier and safer than climbing all the way to the front. So we've had a lot of people saying, oh, it's dangerous, you can't anchor like that. We don't anchor at the front, and we don't leave the deck area when we're retrieving the anchor or when we're setting it. So there we go. Not the, I was going to say not the most eventful day, but for us, even though we only caught 3 fish.
Was it 3 fish, was it?
Yeah.
Okay. But we didn't catch any dogfish though, that's about it.
No, so there's no fish. So we had our first ever smoothie, first ever bullhuss, and just another dab, which...
Dabs I find are quite a pain. You have to be so delicate with them to get the hook out of the mouth.
Yeah.
So like, it's so very small hole and you're like...
They've got tiny mouths and they seem to just take big hooks, so you don't want to hurt them. So we're like doing surgery on a fish trying to remove the hook, but they all went back in, all nice and safe, didn't they?
Perfect.
So at least we've had one of our target species, which was the smooth hound, that's what we've got to go for in the Sea Angling Classic next week. So it was actually nice to experience handling one of them, wasn't it?
Well, and also the bullhuss, that's got teeth, so I'm guessing they're going to be similar to handle as a taupe. I don't know.
I think a taupe's going to be a little bit
teeth,
more.
It's built as well. We did it fine. We didn't get.
And the boat's working perfect, isn't it?
Great. Oh.
There's some mega waves going on just next to us. The tides change here, and they're meeting at different points, and literally it's clashing.
Yeah.
Do you have a look? So hold on. So I hope you enjoyed our little day fishing
adventure.
Yes. So obviously we still haven't had that much practice for the competition next week, but I think we're just going to keep a beginner's look.
Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing alright. We've caught fish. We know how to handle them, so.
I think our only goal is not to come last.
I'm not bothered. It's just the experience, isn't it?
Yeah.
So.
Thank you all so much for watching.
Thanks, guys.
See you soon.